Guys, I had somebody ask me how I tension the blade. And on the front here, we have this T-handle. I put a piece of black tape on it right here. And I always count out 6 when I take it out and give it a wiggle, make sure everything's loose. Now to tighten it back up, I'm going to go 6 cranks in, or when that finally hits that spring, and it just hit it right here. There's a washer here and there's a spring here, a coil spring, compression spring. You overload that compression spring, you bottom it out, you're going to start putting a lot of tension on all the guts in there. So you don't want to actually do that. But usually when I'm done, this flat washer, see if I can get you a better view here. Get you leveled up. Oop. This flat washer I'll have it flush with this. So I'm going to count 1, and I'm counting this black tape, so it's always on the right side. 2, 3, 4, 5. Remember, I said I always come out 6. Sometimes I'll even come out 7, and it looks like I came out 6 that time because that put that pretty flush. And I'm going to check the tracking now. So hopefully for the guy who was asking, that helps. And I'm checking this gullet in reference with this wheel, and I'll do the same thing on that side. I'm just going to give it a few spins. It is forward a little bit, so I'm going to move that blade back. This is what you turn. This is what you turn on the frontier to adjust the tracking. It takes very little. So the problem is I never remember which way I got to turn it. So I'm going to go 1 flat, literally. And let's see. It doesn't take much. All I'm trying to do is walk that gullet back just a little bit. And I'd say maybe went the wrong way. So I'm going to go 1 flat back the other way. Oh, definitely going the wrong way now. Okay, that's easy to see. Come on, walk. Oh, there it goes. It's walking on back. This gullet now, it could go back a little bit more. 1 more flat. Like I said, I only do a flat at a time. That looks perfect. And I'm looking at the other side, and the other side looks really good. So I'm going to call that good. It's tensioned up. Thanks, guys, for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and have a great day.